Welcome back to another episode of the R.A.D skate park in New Jersey. We showed you the parks in New York City, and now we're showing you the parks in New Jersey. If you're not sure what we do, we get inside every park and we show them to you. Please subscribe to our channel, absolutely free. And if you don't want to miss a skate park, hit that notification bell. We're not quite done venturing out of New York because we still have to go upstate. But while we're traveling around, we might as well hit up New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, neighboring states, and a state and a skate park near you soon. Binny boom boom and toe and beyond, of course. And today, it is episode 1, and we arrived at the West New York skate park right here in New Jersey. I know you want to be like New York, but you can't. West New York skate park in New Jersey. And today we brought Matt Weitman. I know nothing about the park. It's my first time here. So we came from Long Island, took us through New York City. We went through the Midtown Tunnel, went through New York a little bit, then we went through the Holland Tunnel to get here. The GPS brought me right here, parked right in the street. Gate right here, we gotta go down the stairs to get to the park. So come on, let's go. I would have ollied the set if there was more space. Not that you care. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. See? Told you. Come on in. Welcome. Welcome into the park, right off the bat. This nice quarter pipe with a little hole in it. We're standing right here, and I'll just rattle off what I'm looking at. Ledge connected to a kicker bank. That's connected to a flat bar. That's connected to a kicker, fun box, and mirrored image. Curbs, you know, they're definitely crusty and crunchy. This is a nice bank wall ride section. On the top is like some takeoff zones. That'll bring you into the park. Kind of tight, I don't know. The coping is built, it's not round, it's not sticking out like you'd see in a quarter pipe. It's kind of like built right into it. It's not quite a right angle, it's a little bit more. I don't know the exact degrees. Get your angle finder out. Half of a bowl section that's connected to this big quarter, the round coping that we're pretty much used to. Probably 2-inch diameter, that I'm pretty sure of. And if you're looking at it like from like this point of view, you got a mini ramp right here. The same quarter pipe that we showed you as soon as we walked in. And the only thing we didn't really show you is that little speed bump, nipple, roller, bump. No one's gotten back to me with an answer, and I'm just still confused. That's the park, yeah. Let's get some clips, right, Ant? Let's try to get some clips. New Jersey. Yeah, New Jersey, episode 1. Welcome to New Jersey, and we're here. Get some clips. out. Oh, no way. You gotta get clippies of that. Yeah, nice. How about a ground report from the ground? Oh, literally just missed your head. Smooth as could be. It's good. The ground is good here. New Jersey, West New York, New Jersey. Yeah, boy. Nose. Ah! Ah! You good? That hurt so bad. Thank you for watching the West New York skate park in New Jersey, our first park in New Jersey. As you could see, it's raining. We gathered up as many clips as we could. Shout out to Anthony Biondo, like always. Shout out to Matty Dubs. Here's the spiel, I give it to you all the time. Thank you for watching, appreciate all of you. Don't forget to hit the like button, And like I said, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the merch that you see us wearing, www.radboardsport.co. Check us out on Instagram at @RADBoardsportCo. Like I said, man, we're right outside of New York City. Didn't really take long to get here. Got a few clips before the rain. A couple more parks close by to New York. If you guys know of skate parks in New Jersey, comment, shout them out, let us know. We'll Google, we'll check them out, and then we'll go in the park. We'll give you a full rundown like we always do. Shout out to you guys watching. And like I said, and don't forget to ride all day.